ratio with different units. Length train from kilometer to meter multiply by 1000, from meter to decimeter multiply by 10, from decimeter to centimeter multiply by 10, from centimeter to millimeter multiply by 10. If we going backward, we will divide it by 10. From millimeter to centimeter divided by 10. From centimeter to decimeter divided 10. From decimeter to meter divided 10. From meter to kilometer divided 1000. Area train from kilometer square to meter square multiply by 1 million. From meter square to decimeter square multiply by 100. From decimeter square to centimeter square multiply by 100. From centimeter square to millimeter square multiply by 100. And if we're going backward, from millimeter square to kilometer square divide by the same units. Weight train, ton to kilogram time 1000, kilogram to gram time 1000. Land train, fidden to kirat time 24, kirat to sa time 24. Time train, from year to months multiply by 12, from months to day multiply by 30, from day to hours multiply by 24, from hours to minute multiply by 60, from minute to second multiply by 60, from week to day multiply by 7. Money train, LE to piasters time 100, from pound to piasters multiply by 100. If we have different unit, you must change the larger unit to the smaller unit by multiplying. 2 hours to 90 minutes. Here we have a ratio between two different units, hours and minute. I need to change the larger unit to the smaller unit. We need to change hours to minute. If we change hour to minute, we must multiply the hours by 60. Then multiply 2 by 60. It will be 120 minutes. Now we have same unit. 120 minutes to 90 minutes. I need to simplify the ratio. But ratio has no unit. You must cancel the unit. Then start to simplify the ratio. 120 to 90 divided both of them by 10 equal 12 to 9. Even and odd divided by 3. 12 divided 3 equal 4. 9 divided 3 equal 3. 4 and 3 are two consecutive numbers, then this is the simplest form for the ratio. Here we have two different units, gram and kilogram. The larger here is kilogram. We must convert kilogram to gram by multiply it by 1000. Multiply 0.75 times 1000. Then rewrite the ratio again, 250 gram as it is to 750 gram. Now we have same unit. You must cancel the unit because ratio has no unit. Then start to simplify the ratio. 250 to 750. Divided the two terms by 10 to get 25 to 75. Now we have unit 5. Then divided the two terms by 5 or by 25. You can directly divide it here by 25. 25 divided 5 it's equal 1, and 75 divided 5 divided 25 it's equal 3. And this is the simplest form. One LE to 75 piasters. We have a ratio with different unit. You must change the larger unit to the smaller unit. Larger here is LE. I need to change 1 LE 2 piasters. By multiply it by 100. 1 LE times 100, it's equal 100 piasters. And write 75 piasters as it is. Now we have a ratio between 100 piasters to 75 piasters. But ratio has no unit. You must cancel the unit, then start to simplify the ratio. 175 divided by 25 equal 4 to 3. And this is the simplest form. 18 carats to 1 fiddan. The larger here is fiddan. I need to convert 1 fiddan to carats. To convert fiddan to carat, multiply it by 24. Rewrite the ratio again. 18 carats as it is to 24. 1 times 24, it's equal 24. Now cancel the units and start to simplify 18 to 24. Both of them are even. Divided both of them by 2 or 4 or 6 or 8. But both of them can divide it by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided 6 equals 4. And this is the simplest form. 2.1 kilometer and 4,900 meter. The larger unit here is kilometer. I need to convert kilometer to meter. Multiply kilometer by 1000. 2.1 times 1000, it's equal to 2100 meter. And rewrite 4,900 meter as it is. Then start to cancel the units and simplify the ratio. Here we have two zeros at the end of the number, then divided both of them by 100. It's equal 21 to 49. Odd and odd, we check to divide by 3 or 7 or 9. Both of them can divide it by 7. 21 divided 7 equal 3 and 49 divided 7 equal 7. The simplest form 3 to 7. 2 weeks to 8 days. The larger unit here is week. I need to convert week into day. Multiply 2 by 7. It's equal 14 days. And rewrite 8 days as it is. And cancel the unit because ratio has no unit. And start to simplify 14 and 8. Both of them are even. Divided both of them by 2. 14 divided 2, it's equal 7. And 8 divided 2, it's equal 4, and this is the simplest form. 3.6 meter to 180 centimeter. The larger unit here is meter. Convert meter to centimeter. Multiply meter by 100. 3.6 times 100, it's equal 360 centimeter. And rewrite 180 centimeter as it is. Cancel the unit and start to simplify the ratio. 360 to 180. Here we have 0 in the unit. Divided both of them by 10 to get 36 to 18. Both of them even. Check to divide it by 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 and so on. Divided here by 18. We can divide them by 18. Then the simplest form directly will be 2 to 1. (24 millimeter to 0.3 centimeter). The larger unit here is centimeter. Multiply centimeter by 10. To convert centimeter to millimeter, multiply it by 10. 24 millimeter as it is to 3 millimeter. Cancel the unit and start to simplify 24 to 3. Divided both of them by 3 because we have here prime number which is 3. So divided the two term by 3. 24 divided 3 equals 8 and 3 divided 3 equals 1, and this is the simplest form. 320 gram to 0.8 kilogram. Here we have a ratio between gram and kilogram, but ratio must have same unit. You must convert big unit, which is kilogram. Convert kilogram to gram by multiply it by 1000. 0.8 times 1000. Okay, rewrite 320 gram as it is and multiply 0.8 by 1000 equal 800 gram. Now we have same unit. You must cancel the unit because ratio has no unit. Then start to simplify 320 and 800. Divide both of them by 10 to get 32 to 80. Here we have two even numbers. We check to divide it by 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Okay? Here divided by 8. 32 divided 8 it's equal 4 and 80 divided 8 it's equal 10. Now we have two even numbers divided here by 2. 4 divided 2 equals 2 and 10 divided 2 equals 5, and this is the simplest form. 48 hours to 2 days. Here we have different unit which is hours and days. I need to convert days to hours. Days to hours multiply days by 24. Rewrite 48 hours as it is and multiply 2 by 24, it's equal 48 hours. Cancel the same unit because ratio has no unit and start to simplify 48 to 48. We have same numbers, that means multiply both of them by 48 to get the ratio 1 to 1. And this is the simplest form. 250 meter to 7,200 centimeter. The larger unit here is meter. Multiply meter by 100 to convert into centimeter. 250 times 100 it's equal to 25,000 centimeter. And rewrite 7,200 centimeter as it is. Cancel the unit, then start to simplify the ratio. Here we have 25,000 and 7,200. Divided both of them by 100, we get 250 to 72. Here we have two even numbers. We must check to divide 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 12 or 14 and so on. Okay? Divided here by 2, 250 divided 2 is equal 125. 72 divided 2 it's equal 36, and this is the simplest form. Why? Because 125 and 36 both of them can't divide by the same number. Okay, there is no high common factor between them. That means this is the simplest form for this ratio. 3.75 kilometer to 1,125 meter. The larger unit here is kilometer. Convert kilometer to meter by multiply it by 1,000. 3.75 times 1,000 equals 3,750 meter and 1,125 meter as it is. Start to simplify the ratio, cancel the unit and start to simplify. We have in the unit 0 and 5, then divided here by 5. 3,550 divided 5 equals 750. 1,125 divided 5, 225. Again we have 0 and 5 divided by 5, or you can divide it by 25, 125 and so on. 750 divided 5 equal 150. 225 divided 5 it's equal 45. Again we have 0 and 5 divided by 5 again. It's equal 30 to 9. 30 and 9 even and odd, we check to divide it by 3. 30 can divide by 3, yes, it's equals 10. And 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And this is the simplest form. Find the ratio in its simplest form. 2 kilogram to 3,600 gram. The larger unit here is kilogram. We must convert kilogram to gram. Multiply 2 by 1000. 2 times 1000, it's equal to 1000 gram. And 3600 gram as it is. Cancel the unit. Cancel gram with gram and start to simplify. 2000 to 3600. Divided here by 100, we get 2236. Both of them even. If we have two even number, we check to divide by 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 and so on. 20 and 36 can divided here by 4. 20 divided 4, it's equal 5, and 36 divided 4, it's equal 9, and this is the simplest form. 3.6 meter to 180 centimeter. The larger unit here is meter. Multiply meter by 100. 3.6 times 100, it's equal 360 centimeter. And rewrite 180 centimeter as it is. Start to cancel the unit because ratio has no unit, and start to simplify. 360 to 180. Divided the two terms by 10, we get 36 to 18. Both of them even. We check to divide by 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or 12, 14, 16, 18 and so on. Here both of them can divide it directly by 18 to get the simplest form 2 to 1. Two weeks to 2 days. The larger unit here is weeks. Convert weeks into days. Multiply 2 by 7. 2 times 7 equal 14 days. And rewrite 2 days as it is. Now we have same unit. You must cancel the unit because ratio has no unit. Start to simplify 14 and 2. Both of them even divided by 2. So 14 divided 2 equals 7. 2 divided 2 it's equal 1, and this is the simplest form. Piasters, 72 piasters to 1.2 LE. Here the larger is LE. Convert LE to piaster. Multiply 1.2 times 100. Rewrite 72 as it is and convert 1.2 LE into piasters. It's equal 120 piasters. Cancel the unit and start to simplify 72 and 120. Both of them even. We check to divide by 2. 72 can divide by 2, it's equal 18. 120 divided 2, it's equal 60. 18 and 60 can divided by 6. 18 divided 6, it's equal 3, and 60 divided 6, it's equal 10, and this is the simplest form. Fidden to 20 kirat. The larger unit here is fidden. I need to convert fidden to kirat. Multiply 1.5 by 24 equals 36 kirats, and rewrite 20 kirats as it is. Cancel the unit and start to simplify 36 to 20. Both of them even. Can divide it by 2. Sure, can divide by 2, but we try to divide by 4 or 6 or 8 and so on. 36 and 20 can divided by 4. 36 divided 4 it's equal 9, and 20 divided 4 it's equal 5, and this is the simplest form. 120 centimeter to 2.4 meter. The larger unit here is meter. Convert meter to centimeter. How? Multiply 2.4 times 100 and rewrite 120 centimeter as it is. Then convert 2.4 into centimeters, it's equal to 140 centimeter. Now start to cancel the unit and simplify. Divided by 10 equal 12 to 24. Both of them even. Can divide it by 2 and 4 and 6. You can divide it here by 12 also. Why? Because we can get the simplest form directly, 1 to 2. Find in the simplest form the ratio between each of the following. 250 piasters and 7.5 pound. Here we have the larger unit is pounds. 7.5 pounds, I need to convert it into piasters. Why? Because we need to find the ratio between these two quantities. 250 piasters to multiply 7.5 by 100, it's equal 750 piasters. Now we have same unit, start to cancel the unit and simplify the ratio. Divide the two terms by 10, 25 to 75. Here we have 5 and 5 in the unit, we check to divide it by 5 or 25 directly. 25 divided 25, it's equal 1, and 75 divided 5, 25, it's equal 3. And this is the simplest form. 2.5 hours and 50 minutes. The larger unit here is hours. Multiply hours by 60. 2.5 by 60 equals 150 minutes. And 50 minutes, write the ratio to 50 minutes. Now we have same unit, cancel the unit, and start to simplify the ratio. Divided by 10, it's equal 15 to 5. Now we have in the unit 5 and 5, divided both of them by 5. 15 divided 5, it's equal 3, and 5 divided 5, it's equal 1. And this is the simplest form. $15 kirats and 125 fidans. Here we have different units. The larger is fidan. I need to convert fidan to kirats. Multiply 125 by 24 and rewrite the ratio again. 15 kirats to 3000 kirats. Now we have same unit, cancel the unit and start to simplify 15 to 3000. We have 5 and 0 in the unit. We try to divide by 5. Yes, it could be divided by 5. But we can here divide it by 15 to get the simplest form directly. 15 divided 15, it's equal 1. 3000 divided 15, it's equal 200, and this is the simplest form.